It is an exciting day today. It's hatching day for the quail. This will be the second little guy to have hatched out, and another one will be soon following. I'll let his wings dry a little bit and bring him out to the brooder. Happy birthday, little dude. Well, it's another fun day here, Willowbrook Apiary and Homestead. We have had 4 quail chicks hatch. Sadly, one of them fell into the water and drowned, even though I had some stones in it to keep them up out. So I went and bought a quail waterer, which is a lot shallower. And while we were there, my wife tempted me, and we now have baby chicks again. Black copper maran and silver laced Wyandottes. So we'll be in eggs again in no time. Super cool. And I also need to go check the beehives and see whether or not I can pull some honey, and if I need to add more space, and if the queen bee has come back and is laying eggs in my split. Alright, so between new quail, black copper maran, silver laced Wyandotte chicks, and the split is queen right, there are lots of new eggs and larvae. Even though I didn't find the queen, that's enough to tell me she's in there. So things are looking pretty good here. I hope you guys are all enjoying your late spring as we approach beginning of summer. Keep growing food, keep doing things to become a little bit more self-sufficient. And as the world continues to become a little bit crazier, a little bit darker, turn to God. He is the creator, and we should worship him and not the creation. Every time I'm in my beehives, I'm thinking about how amazingly intricate they are designed, not evolved, but designed to do the different things that they do, and how blessed I am to be a part of this pollination process and enjoy the rewards of the sweet honey. Hope everything is well with you and your families. Willowbrook Apiary and Homestead. Happy bees, healthy honey. God bless.